Does your PC feel slower than usual? If yes, then this video is for you. Today I'll show you many effective software-based methods to improve performance and make your system feel faster without installing any program or software. Let's dive right in. 1. Disable startup applications. This one helps a lot. Does your PC take hours to start? Then this fix would be super effective. Basically, it prevents applications from opening right as we start our PC. First of all, you can go to Task Manager by pressing Control, Shift, and Escape keys together and then navigating to Startup tab, and then by disabling all the unnecessary applications from Startup. 2. Adjust visual effects. Visual effects include animations that can be turned off to improve performance. You can adjust them by going to the search bar and then searching for About Your PC, and then clicking on Advanced System Settings. Here, you can click on Settings under Performance, and then adjusting visual effects based on your liking. You can also check Adjust for Best Performance for Ultimate Performance. 3. Increase virtual memory. If you have limited RAM, then increasing virtual memory can help. You can open the same window for adjusting visual settings, and then open Advanced tab and under Virtual Memory, click on Change. Uncheck this option and click on Custom Size. Now you can set the initial and maximum size. You can set initial size to 1.5x of your RAM and maximum size to 3x of your RAM. Now your PC will use that much space from your storage as RAM. 4. Update drivers. Keeping your drivers up to date are essential. You can update drivers by going to the search bar and searching for Device Manager. Now you can extend display adapters, and then right-click on your GPU and click on Update Driver. 5. Scan for viruses. Viruses and malwares can significantly slow down your PC. You can do this by searching for Windows Security and then by clicking on Virus and Threat Protection. Now you can click on Quick Scan and scan your PC for viruses and malwares. 6. Change power plan. You can go to search for power plans and then click on it. By default, it would be set to balanced. You can set this to high performance. So these are few of the software-based changes that you can do to your PC to extract all the performance out of your PC. If any of this was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us create more content.